In the recent wake of migration of nurses to the diaspora for better job opportunities, chairperson of the 1993-year group of the University of Ghana, Robert Darko, has emphasized the need to build the needed capacity to help curb brain drain. Speaking at the seminar to mark their 30th anniversary, he called for the collaborative efforts between government and all stakeholders to ensure the future of Ghanaian youth is secured.
The 1993-year group of the University of Ghana, celebrating their 30th anniversary of completing school, has organized a seminar on the trajectory of the country, socio-economically and politically. The seminar on the topic, 30 Years of Socio-Economic and Political Disequilibrium, Systemic Interventions to Salvage, highlighted the need to strategize methods for the development of the country. Dean of the Graduate School in the University of Ghana, Professor Robert Darko, in an interview, highlighted the need to train and equip more nurses to curb the current brain drain happening in the country.
We have serious unemployment problem today in this country, right? We have serious underemployment problem. We have serious graduate unemployment, so much so that today we have what we call the Graduate Unemployment Association or something to that effect. So if another country needs nurses and we have the capacity to train and to export, what's wrong with that? Remember, we are growing cocoa. Don't we drink cocoa? Don't we eat chocolate? But we grow cocoa and then we sell some. So why can't we build human capacity and export some? Of course, we also import capacities when we do need them, right? We have technocrats who have come to the country at various stages of our development to support us. It is not an issue of nurses are leaving us, so what are we doing wrong? No. Of course, if you take the healthcare system as it is, we do not have enough nurses. But what are we doing to train more nurses? And what are we doing to retain those nurses? Okay? In that case, you are turning what you call a brain drain into a brain gain.
Economist and researcher Peter Korte, together with other panelists, advised the youth to consciously desire to gain work experience through internships and strategic workshops.
Sometimes when we look at your CVs, your job applications, they don't entice us. It doesn't tell us that you are ready for the job market. Where I schooled, you realize they come around, show you how to write your CV, they train you, they prepare you for the job market. I don't know whether our counseling and placement center does a lot of that. So we need to prepare our students ready, our young people ready for the job market. Don't do business as usual. So don't always start, you don't have work experience. Look for job placements, look for internships, etc. Start something. And wherever you work, if people start from 8, close at 5, start at 5:30, 6, start early. Don't do business as usual. Your employer will by all means notice you, and I'm sure you will get promotion.
I always say that your time, you do not have any reason not to do well. 30 years ago when we were here, there were no mobile phones. We're using typewriter. Today you have Instagram, you have what? You have also kinds of social media. Instead of using it for Snapchats and watching people wearing bikini and all that, you should spend the time learning something which is extraordinary so that you can beat the competition.
Reporting for Joy News, Stephen Mensah.